Welcome to the Parent Education Series on COVID-19. This module will cover the topic of care of a child at home during the pandemic. I am Dr. Deepak, one of the consultants in PICU at Rainbow Children's Hospital, Marathalli. Children, though not directly affected by the virus in most circumstances, are indirectly affected during this pandemic through having malnutrition, mental health impact, addictiveness to screen time, as well as lack of health care at appropriate time. Concurrent to this pandemic, there has been a raging pandemic of obesity in children during these times. Because of inadequate or lack of physical activity at home, as well as dietary changes, there have been significant instances of children gaining weight during these times. And this has shown in multiple surveys where they have found that the intake of junk food as well as health supplements have increased significantly, whereas amount of time spent in physical activity has considerably decreased. We as parents should be aware of this and give a balanced and healthy diet to our children, which should include the staple diet along with some amount of vegetable and fruits daily. We should avoid giving them unnecessary health supplements like vitamin C, vitamin D or other various branded health supplements available in the market, because inappropriate use of these medications can cause serious side effects like kidney stones or liver failure. And we should ensure that our children have at least 1 hour of physical activity, either in the form of yoga or aerobics indoors or cycling, jogging, etc. in the outdoors, for that we can keep them fit. Parents should also be aware of the behavioral and psychological aspects of this pandemic on the children. The constant isolation, constant doomsday gloom expressed in the TVs, as well as online classes, addiction to screen time have caused various mental issues in children. Toddlers may become more clingy and attention-seeking behavior may develop in them. They can become more fussy and have eating disorders. They have also shown decreased interest in playing as compared to the pre-COVID times. School-going children have become more addicted to mobiles and video games. They have started throwing temper tantrums. They have also have sleeping disorders and eating habits which are altered. Adolescents can have mood swings. They can become gloomy, aloof, and they can have paranoia. All these manifestations are basically anxiety or depressive manifestations of this isolation during the pandemic. Parents should be aware of these behavioral issues and try to address them. They should make a strict schedule so that children have opportunity to have physical activity, maintain their eating habits, as well as limit their screen time. During this pandemic, we are all exposed to online classes. The online classes are causing symptoms of headache, dry eyes, as well as decreased attention span in children. So, by limiting the screen time through other ways like decreasing their video game time, as well as ensuring more physical activity, we can overcome this amount of exposure to screen time. Parents should also ensure that their children get adequate sleep time to have good rest so that their health is maintained during this pandemic. Lastly, parents should be aware when to seek medical help for their children. Children who are already having chronic underlying issues like asthma, nephrotic syndrome, who are already on long-term medications should continue to take all their prescribed medications as advised before. They should also meet with their pediatricians or specialists at a regular interval, either through video consults whenever possible, or in case if needs to be examined, can book a physical consultation and get through. This is more important in children who are on chronic illnesses like cancer or other immunosuppressive medications, where discontinuation of the treatment can expose them to added risk of getting infections more frequently, which are more dangerous and difficult to control. We have had instances of children who have come in late to us with mostly treatable illnesses like dengue or appendicitis because of the fear of the parents of catching COVID infection from the hospital. These children, unfortunately, because of their late presentation, could not be saved. We at Rainbow Children's Hospital are taking every possible care to avoid people who come to us for consults to get infections. So you should seek medical attention whenever you feel your kid is unwell at the most immediate opportune time. We wish to emphasize that children during this pandemic, though are not affected by the virus, but affected in terms of their mental as well as physical health. We should ensure that we give proper nutrition and physical activity to them. We should ensure their mental well-being is taken care of by limiting the screen time as well as limiting the psychological impact of the illness, and seek medical care whenever it is required.